Hello, sports fans. This is Ralph Luck. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. Today's a pretty busy day. If you wonder why it looks like I'm sitting in the front seat of a police car, it's a good question. So let me bring you up to date. So today was the big day that I dropped my VW Bug, off at a place here in Flagstaff. I'll mention their name after everything's done and they did quality work, and be happy to insert their name here. And they're putting on the lift kit that I found on VWLiftKits.com, I think it was. I'm sure they'll do a bang-up job putting that on. I'll get another 2.5 inches, and I'll show you that here later in the day if I get it back today. But then I rented a U-Haul. I was going to go for the pickup truck, but they didn't have one. They gave me this cargo van. Then I went to my old campsite where I left my black tank caddy, which is the portable black tank, which was full. I left a bunch of trash there, and I left my cargo trailer. Well, it's actually kind of a cargo rack that goes on the back of a car. And you plug it into where you would normally put like a trailer hitch ball. Well, dummy me, I didn't lock that up to a tree or anything, and it's been a week and a half, and I knew if anybody came to camp out in that area, they'd see it and take it, and that's what happened. So I did still need the cargo van to get that heavy black tank in here. I bought a $50 winch come along to help me get it into the back, because that thing is pretty heavy, and it was I'll use that come along for other things in the future. $50 from Tractor Trailer Supply, great. As you can see, I'm clean shaven in the neck and chin, and my head is clean shaven, and that's because I went to Planet Fitness. And guess what? For the first time in like a year, I actually worked out. Yes, I know, just a little walking on the treadmill, but hey, baby steps. I'm trying to be active every day by going walking at the very least. So treadmill was not as exciting as walking out in the lovely forest, but it was exercise. Then, of course, I already said the shave and shower. And now it's mid-afternoon. In about an hour, it's going to be close to closing time at the shop that's doing the lift kit. And if I haven't heard anything, I'll give them a call. But for the next hour, I'm going to be hanging out at Del Taco. And I think they have some Thursday taco deals. They don't do just Taco Tuesday. They do Taco Thursdays. So I'm going to get a little lunch, hang out here. I didn't film anything earlier because my phone was dead. Thankfully, at Planet Fitness here in Flagstaff, they were nice enough during my whole time there to have my phone charging behind the counter. So I got about a half a battery now, so I should be good to go. I should note that the place doing the lift, I also gave them a green light if the CV boots are bad, like VW said they were, and they're oozing out grease or lube or whatever it is, to go ahead and replace it, since they'll already have the wheels off and everything, and save me some labor from having to do it at another time. And hopefully they're putting on my trailer hitch. So they've got a lot to do today. I'm hoping they get it done. If not, I do have the U-Haul van rented for for tomorrow too. So let's go in and eat, because I'm starving. All right, let's see. Oh, I see something that says Thursday. All day. 3 grilled chicken tacos, $2.89. There we go. Looks delicious. Let's see what we have here for $2.89. Certainly not very big. Yep. There's a little chicken, a little lettuce, and I think I'll stick with my chicken del carbone. Those things are good. Okay, those 3 little tacos weren't enough, so I got 2 of my favorites. Chicken taco del carbone. Now these used to be like $1.19, $1.29, $1.39. Now they're $1.69. And man, have they made them small. But I do love them because they have cilantro. And they really skimped on the cilantro today. Well, get what you pay for. And the joy of having the playground right here with the door open. I know, it's just kids being kids. Kids are our future. So here's the mighty beast. Only $19.95 in town. Yeah, it's that plus mileage that gets you. So, on the way to get my Walmart groceries, I stopped by the shop and they hadn't even touched it. So, the owner promised me we'll get it all done tomorrow. So, came back to camp in the U-Haul van, which was kind of okay because I didn't have to touch the portable black tank. And I had forgotten all my hoses. So now I loaded up the van with the hoses. So tomorrow when I go to pick up my car, I could unload that heavy portable tank, use my hoses to dump it. I've also put together the new cargo trailer, so to speak. So I put a couple of bolts and put that together. So tomorrow when I return in the V-Dub, I'll put that on and strap down the portable tank and head on back. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please smash that thumbs up button. Give it a couple of rights and a left. Well, I'm left-handed, so a couple of lefts and a right if you're right-handed. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. It greatly helps the channel grow. Also, be positive, be nice, be active. From Ninja and I, we bid you adieu.